Your car is not sick. It's being strangled on purpose. Right now, as you're watching this, your engine is running with 40% of its power trapped. Your sensors are lying, and your manufacturer knows it. Because the truth is ugly. Modern cars are designed to run safely. Not strongly, quietly, not efficiently, and within warranty, not beyond it. For 20 years, mechanics like me have watched dealerships quietly hide simple tricks that make your car breathe better, burn cleaner, shift faster, and last longer. Because if you knew them, you'd stop paying for repairs that never needed to happen. And here's the disturbing part. Some of these tricks are so powerful, so cheap, and so effective. They're considered illegal, not because they're dangerous, but because they break the rules your manufacturer profits from. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know 10 banned but brilliant mods that make your car run smoother, faster, and younger for almost nothing. For more than 20 years, I've watched dealerships quietly milk drivers for billions, charging premium prices for problems that a simple trick or a 5-minute mod could have fixed. So today, I'm breaking that silence. These 10 illegal mods can make your car run smoother, faster, and younger, and most of them cost under $50 to do yourself. Let's start with the one that exposes how much power your car is already hiding. Mod 10, Throttle Body Reset. Your car's throttle isn't fully opening, even when your foot is. Modern engines use electronic throttle control, and over time the system learns your habits. If you drive gently, it slowly locks your car into a soft mode, limiting acceleration, dulling response, and quietly stealing power you already paid for. Manufacturers never tell you this because it exposes how slow your car really is right out of the gate. Here's the illegal reset trick. Turn the key to on without starting the engine. Press the gas pedal to the floor for 10 seconds. Turn the key off. Release the pedal. Wait 10 more seconds. Then start the car. Last week I did this on a customer's Camry. His message came in 3 minutes later. Feels 20% faster. And that's just the beginning. Mod 9. Intake deep clean. Your engine is choking right now and you don't even know it. Pop the hood on almost any car with more than 30,000 miles, and you'll find a thick black film of carbon lining the throttle body and intake. That buildup strangles airflow, weakens combustion, and steals fuel economy little by little. Dealers charge $300 plus for an intake cleaning, but the underground version costs $8 and takes 15 minutes. Warm the engine. Hold the RPMs at 2,000. Spray CRC intake cleaner or seafoam directly into the intake. The engine will stumble, cough, and blow out clouds of smoke. That's years of carbon burning away. One customer's Accord gained 3 miles per gallon, saving nearly $400 a year. Manufacturers discourage this because chemical spray cleaning isn't approved, even though dealers do the exact same thing behind closed doors. If you're loving these underground tricks, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next ones mechanics never talk about. Mod 8, Transmission Partial Flush Hack. Dealerships love to tell you your transmission is sealed for life. What they really mean is sealed until the warranty ends. After that, the damage becomes your problem. Transmission fluid slowly fills with varnish, sludge, and metal dust. And by the time most drivers hit 60,000 miles, the system is already struggling. Waiting that long is exactly why transmissions die. Here's the illegal mechanic workaround. Instead of doing one full flush, perform 3 partial drain and refills spaced over a few weeks. Each change replaces about a third of the fluid, and by the 3rd cycle, you've renewed nearly the entire system without shocking it. A customer brought me a slipping Civic at 120,000 miles. Dealer quoted $3,800 for a rebuild. 3 partial changes later, the shifts were crisp and the car felt new. Total cost, $120. MOD7, spark plug gap tightening. Every spark plug comes pre-gapped, but here's the truth. Factory pre-gapped is a myth. In 20 years, I've almost never pulled a plug out of the box that matched the exact spec an engine truly needs. Even being off by a few thousandths changes how cleanly your fuel burns. And that means weaker power, rougher idle, and wasted gas. The underground trick is simple. Tighten the spark plug gap by 0.02 inches below factory spec. This creates a stronger, denser spark under load, giving you sharper throttle response, smoother idle, and noticeably cleaner combustion. I did this on a rough idling Mazda 3 last month. Right after tightening the gaps, the engine settled into a smooth hum, acceleration snapped back, and fuel economy jumped by 1 full mpg, the same results dealers charge $200 for. Mod 6, O2 sensor cleaning shortcut. Your oxygen sensors decide how much fuel your engine burns. But over time, carbon coats their tips and slows their response. That delay makes the engine run rich, waste fuel, and foul spark plugs. Here's the suspenseful truth. Most people replace a sensor that isn't dead, just dirty. Dealers charge $280 to replace one, but the underground trick costs almost nothing. Remove the O2 sensors. Let the tips soak overnight in gasoline or sensor-safe cleaner. Reinstall the next day. That simple refresh restores their accuracy, sharpens throttle response, and improves mileage instantly. I've saved customers over $10,000 with this trick in the past year alone. Cars that ran sluggish suddenly woke up like someone flipped a hidden performance switch. MOD5, MAF Sensor Magic Clean. If your car feels sluggish, drinks more fuel than it should, or hesitates when you accelerate, your MAF sensor is probably the reason. This tiny sensor measures the air entering your engine, and when microscopic dust coats its wire, it lies to the computer, making your engine run rich and robbing you of power. Most drivers replace the sensor for $120 to $200, but the illegal fix costs $8. Unplug the MAF. Spray it gently with MAF cleaner only. Let it dry for 10 minutes, reinstall, and start the engine. The improvement is immediate. Smoother idle, sharper response, stronger pull, and better fuel economy. And here's the part dealerships never want you to know. They secretly clean the MAF, but charge you for a new replacement. MOD4, Airbox Cold Side Breather. Your engine can only burn as much power as it can breathe. And most stock airboxes are designed to restrict airflow to meet noise and emissions rules, not performance. Inside that plastic box are narrow ducts and resonators that quietly choke the engine every single day. The illegal mechanic trick? Drill 3 small holes on the cold side of the airbox, the section before the air filter. This lets in cooler, denser air, giving your engine a cleaner burn, quicker throttle response, and smoother acceleration. But here's the warning. Do this wrong, and you risk sucking hot air or debris straight into the engine. Stay on the cold side only, and keep the holes small and hidden. A Civic owner gained 2 miles per gallon and noticeably sharper response from this 5-minute mod. MOD 3, Fuel Filter Bypass. Dealerships love calling it a lifetime fuel filter, but lifetime doesn't mean forever. It means until the warranty ends. After that, the filter inside the tank slowly clogs, starving the engine of fuel. The symptoms creep in quietly. Rough, idle, sluggish acceleration, a soft stumble under load. Most drivers blame age or bad gas, but the real danger is hidden fuel starvation. And engine starvation destroys pumps quietly. The underground fix is brilliant. Install an external inline fuel filter between the tank and the engine bay. A clear, high-flow filter snaps into the fuel line and gives you something manufacturers never wanted you to have: visibility. You can literally see the dirt before it reaches your injectors. When the filter darkens, swap it in minutes for $6, instead of paying $1,000 for a pump replacement. MOD2. Water Vapor Engine Steam Clean. This is the most feared underground trick on the list, because it works unbelievably well and can also destroy an engine in seconds if you do it wrong. It's called the Water Vapor Steam Clean, and it's been passed quietly between old-school tuners for decades. Here's what happens. With the engine fully warmed, a fine mist of water is introduced into the intake. When that mist hits the blazing hot combustion chambers, it instantly turns to steam. That steam expands violently, blasting carbon off the pistons, valves, and chamber walls. The same carbon that's been choking your power for years. Do it right, and you'll see thick black smoke pouring from the tailpipe. That's decades of carbon leaving your engine. Do it wrong, pour too much water too fast, and this happens. Hydro lock. One mistake, one cylinder full of water, and $4,000 gone. The safe method: use a spray bottle that creates a mist. Keep RPM slightly elevated. Feed slowly, patiently. Done correctly, engines that felt tired at 200,000 miles suddenly run like they're 100,000 miles younger. Mod 1. Coil Pack Upgrade. Ignition coils are the silent muscle behind every spark. And here's the secret most drivers never hear. Many coils across different brands are cross-compatible, and some deliver a far stronger spark than the originals. Performance tuners have known this for years. Swapping in coils from certain Nissan or Infiniti models can deliver a 10 to 15% stronger spark, giving instant throttle crispness, cleaner combustion, and a smoother idle. It's considered illegal only because it alters the emissions mapping manufacturers certify. But in real-world driving, the improvement is unmistakable. A dramatic example? A Maxima owner came to my shop complaining his car felt tired. We installed a compatible higher output coil set from a related model. Total cost, $60 from a salvage yard. He called me the next day shocked. It feels like I gained a new engine. This trick alone can transform how your car responds to every tap of the pedal. You've just learned 10 illegal mods that can wake up a tired engine. But none of them matter if you fall into the trap that kills more cars than bad parts, bad gas, and bad driving combined: neglect. Most engines don't die from failure. They die from slow, invisible decay caused by small problems you never check, never clean, never reset. And this is where the real twist hits, because the ultimate performance boost isn't a mod at all. It's a ritual, a simple monthly habit that takes minutes, costs almost nothing, and silently prevents the wear, the friction, the carbon, and the heat that destroy engines long before their time. It's the ritual that kept my truck alive for 387,000 miles, without a single major repair.